So welcome back everyone, Jeremiah here. First thing to do today before it rains, because it looks like it's going to rain, is get this tire off. There's a screw in it. I'm going to replace, either swap the tire out for the spare or plug this one. I don't know yet. Figure that out here in a minute. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to zip these off with the impact, pull the tire off, let some air out of it, plug it, and see what we got going on. If I can plug it, then I'll plug it. If I still want to pull the spare off of the back of the truck and look at it, check it, make sure that it's good. But otherwise, I'm going to plug this one, put this one back on, unless I can't, and then we'll see how it goes. It'll hold air for probably about half a day right now. There we go. Zip these off real quick. I'm going to try my little impact. It's a 250 foot-pound. See if that'll zip it off or not. If not, then I'll have to use the bigger one that I got. It's a bigger one than I have is a 450 foot-pound, but we'll see. Nope, we used the 400. Little leaks. I'll show you. Right there. I want to say it's like a self-tapping screw. Now I have a few of those. I'll stop talking. Wait till I shut off. Okay, I'm back. It looks like a self-tapper screw. One of the ones that has like the drill bit on the tip of it. Looks like one of those. I've got a few of those. I don't know if this one's mine, but if it is, oops. But I'm pretty sure it's not, because we ran this one over and I haven't carried or done anything with self-tappers out in the driveway before. So I don't think it was from that, unless the kids did something with it. I don't know. But anyways, let's get some of this air let out of this and pull that out. I hear sirens for some reason. You might be able to hear them too. Oh, they just shut off. Something happened close. Now you probably don't have to do this the way how I'm doing it. I'm just doing it so it's a little more safer for me, but you probably don't have to. I don't really know. I've only plugged one tire before, and the tire that I plugged was already flat. so I don't really know. But this is the way I do it, the way I'm deciding to do it, because I don't want to go ahead and try and pull that screw out and then slip and have all the air pressure just shoot it into me or something. I don't know, it seems a little dangerous, but so I'm flattening it first. I'm also kind of wondering, because this is one of the newer vehicles to show the tire pressure, I wonder how it does that. Like, how do you get a tire pressure from something when there's nothing? I don't understand it. It's got to be like a remote thing or something, but maybe something built in a rim, or I don't know. I don't know about that. Seems kind of odd how it knows the tire pressure, but there's nothing connecting. Once you take the lug nuts off, there's nothing connecting the tire to the truck. There's no wires or nothing like that, so it's a little weird. I don't know. Technology's funny these days. Okay, that should be good. Oh yeah, I can hear that. Screw it. Flatten with the road. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, no, those are not mine, and it's not a self-tapper. It is one of them aluminum screws, though, that you can screw aluminum with. I do not have any of these, so we hit this somewhere else. Could have hit it on the property, but hit that somewhere else. I just stopped at the auto parts store. Was gonna go to Walmart, but figured Walmart has next to nothing every time I go anyways. And I got this. Need that first. The last kit that I bought didn't have all this cool stuff. There you are. There we go. Let's see if it'll do it. Got something to show you at the end of this video too. I gotta screw this out some more. Let's try this again. There we go. Now, let's air it up and see what happens. heck. I don't hear it. Oh. Huh. So, I have noticed. Turn this around so I can show you guys what I was talking about with the air pressure sensor thingy. Hang on. Okay, so the air pressure sensor, one thing I have noticed is that on all vehicles, I've noticed that everything else is here except for this little wire right here. So I'm thinking that's the wire for the sensor, which leads to this piece right here. So it's somewhere here. But what I've also noticed is that I've never seen this here on any rims before. And it's the only piece that's on the rim on the inside. So I know it's not like weights on the inside of a rim, because that would kind of be weird too. But that's the only bit that I see. So I think that's kind of like a magnet maybe that throws off, like throws a sensor, because I've seen like vehicle speed sensors for like bicycles that you could put on a bicycle, and it runs a wire to like a piece that connects to the frame, and then there's another little magnetic piece that connects to the rim itself, and each time that rim passes by, it kind of calculates how fast it goes by. So I'm wondering if that's kind of the same trick here. But anyways, let's get this put back on. So now that's back on there. I know you seem to kind of do that a little odd. I started with one, went straight across, then went kind of next to the other one that I just did. Went next to the second one, next to that one, and then did this, and then I just went like that. I don't know if you have to do it that way or not, but that's how I've seen, like, you know, I'm a truck driver, so I've seen tires get changed on semis quite a bit, and that's how I've seen it happen on semis. So I just did it like that on my truck. So I mean, shouldn't be a problem. At least now I know it ain't gonna come off. I mean, it's on there with 450 foot-pounds of pressure, so hey, it ain't gonna come off. It'll go flat before it comes off. But that's done. Hopefully it'll hold air. I'll let you know in the next video if it holds air, or the next one. I don't know, because I might be able to do another video today. But I think that's it for this video. If you like this video, click subscribe, click the like button, comment down below, let me know what you think. Your opinions, your thoughts. I mean, I take everything and I look at it like, you know, it's info, good or bad. We'll see you later.